They said, look, I see where you been, it's been 2 months since you dropped. I've been out here in the college getting knowledge and top. If they thought that I was finished, bitch, this shit never stopped. I go beast mode on a beat, I'm jumping, holding my crotch, yelling 50909 till the day that I die. I got hoes all on my dick and I got shoes on my thighs. Niggas said that they gon' duff me, I just laugh while they try. Cause bitch, I'm kicking the fuck back like a fucking kickstand. Rather rock the other brains, I see it happen in advance. Getting guapo guacamole, looking for some Ferragamo Rasta. My favorite designer, true religion, my recliner, ayy. Beat the box and she rewind it, I don't want no damn cosigner. Honestly, I do not want it, hot like a big bag, bustin' with the chronic, ayy. Think she on me cause she love my phonics. Water on me, hydroponics, it's my song when I'm up on it. Shout out to my city, 509 gon' get up on it. MF Doom Top Boom, niggas fuck around, go supersonic, leave a beat dead. Diagnosis was a damn bubonic, don't think the rest of them want it. It's a breath but I'm up on it, and I'm in this shit to win it. Don't ever count me as Spanish, my shit never get diminished. Throw away rapper, they spinach, blunt looking like the Grinch on Christmas, and I'm in that bitch. Kidneys had a hoe singing like the Sydney Opera. Gotta get my commas up, secret stuff, I feel like Michael Jordan. The cigarillos that I buff down the rim, double clutch, wipe me down these niggas dust. Probably awesome angel dust, in my angel what I trust. Different angles what I try, and I keep the fucking vibe. Ain't no motherfucking guys, ain't no motherfucking fries. Telling lies, why these niggas telling lies? Ayy, telling lies, ayy, keep pie.
All the way to the bank.
Kicking this shit, going mentally insane. Spitting these bars while your bitch give me brain. Game winning 3, I hit that shit like I'm Dame.